Here we are today, YouTube, with a quick little update video of the Mercury project. I know several of you subscribe to the channel, and we're here specifically just to follow the build of the flathead and the progress with this. Apologize, so much going on my own projects. I've definitely dropped the ball a little bit on following this. Dad's got a whole lot more time with his retirement than I do, but here's where we're at today. Dad's definitely making some progress, getting the engine bay cleaned up here, as you can see. Still got a ways to go, but when you're battling 50 plus years worth of road grime and corrosion and whatnot, but he's making headway. Things are looking good. Get it all freshened up and cleaned up here, hopefully. Obviously, this isn't a frame off. We just kind of want a nice clean home to put the nice pretty new motor in. Give this a fresh coat of black paint in here when we get it all cleaned up and smooth up the parts here that you can see really well. Get it looking nice and presentable for what is turning out to be an absolutely beautiful rebuild on the motor. Now, Dad will keep chipping away here. We'll follow the progress, hopefully, as gets that going. But for now, here we are with the motor. Like I said, I apologize I didn't catch all the build of the motor, guys. I got with the valve assembly and install. We got the piston install. I didn't manage to catch most of the rest of it, unfortunately. So everything that is pretty much new on the motor, gone through, replaced, all the high-end goodies. Anything that was originally on the motor that we're reusing, like these Offenhauser heads that had blasted, cleaned up, and refreshed. We'll have the tri-power intake go back on there. I'm not sure where he's got that hiding in his pile of goodies here. As you can see, we've been working on the fine details, polishing up stainless lines, painting all the different components and whatnot to match. And this paint, by the way, has turned out absolutely beautiful. I don't know if the camera will pick it up here. Hopefully it will. All sorts of pearl in the clear coat there. Really, really gonna pop in the sun. Unfortunately, you'll only see bits and pieces of it once it's in the engine compartment, but it is those small details that really stand out and make it absolutely stunning and beautiful. Lord willing, one day, once we get the car painted, this will kind of be the wineberry color of the car itself at some point. That's a little ways out. Obviously, the goal at this point is just to get this thing running, to hear the motor come to life once again, and get the car out of the garage, into the sunlight, and back on the road. So that's where we're at with it all. Like I said, I apologize for not getting all the details of the build and all that, but I'm definitely anxious to hear this thing fire up. I will absolutely make sure to get that on video for you guys as we go. Even got the original exhaust manifolds blasted and got those all cleaned up. 100% night and day difference from what was on here before. Really looking good. Glad Dad's taking his time. It's been a lifelong goal and project for him. Definitely excited for him to see it coming along. I know the motor build was not something we anticipated doing on the car. He thought he was done working on the motor until we found the head gasket leak. But anyway, it's led to hopefully a whole new motor from what it ever was before, even once it's back running again. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned. Like I said, I apologize. It's been a little while since we got to any of the Mercury videos. Definitely try to get back to being a little more on top of things as far as this goes. And hopefully we'll have her running before you know it. See you on the next one, guys.